How to make a custom design on your Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to create a custom design and how to actually customize and create different pages within your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store that you have. So I have opened up my Shopify, and this is where we will get. This is our main dashboard on Shopify. So we know that if I open up my online store right here on Shopify, it will actually show me my store and I will be able to check different pages. I will be able to view my store. So let's go and view my store from here that I do not have actually worked on, because this is like a test store that I had created. But you can see right here, this is kind of like the look of a website of a store that you create on Shopify. You can just like add image banner. You can actually select a theme first and then work on the theme and add different products to your Shopify store. But let's say that I actually want to design different pages and I actually want to work more into it. So how to do that? For that, we will actually have to add and install an app, a Shopify app from Shopify App Store. So let's go ahead and open up our store. So this is our Shopify app store, and we can find all of the different applications out there right here on Shopify. So I'm going to look for an app known as Gem Pages and just search for Gem Pages and it will open it up. So this one is right here, Gem Pages Powerful Page Builder. Easily build your own amazing landing pages and product pages. So this will allow me to design my Shopify store and actually create landing pages for different products. For example, I have new arrivals and I actually want to create a landing page for that, a promotional page for that, product page. So how we can do that within our Shopify, and instead of going to another platform and going through the process all over again and integrating these different platforms and hassling from here to there. So we're gonna eliminate that hassle and we can just download Gem Pages. So I'm gonna click right here on Gem Pages, and then it's very simple. I'm gonna click on Add App. All right, so we have install option, Gem Pages with Shopify. Click on install. Okay, what is your experience with builders? So we just have to enter like few information. So I actually have created landing pages, but I'm gonna still say that I'm an intermediate. Okay, next, which term best describes you? E-commerce merchant, drop shipper, print on demand seller. So I am kind of like a print on demand seller, and then we also work as like a freelancer, but I'm gonna go with this option right here. So what industry you belong to? So we can select any industries. I'm gonna go with this one right here and click on continue. What is your primary goal? Set up an e-commerce website, build eye-catching home pages, create professional product pages, design conversion focused landing pages, and others. So now you can actually use this for different purposes. So if you were looking for just like an eye-catching design for your store, then you can go with this option. And then we have professional product pages as well. So let's go with this one because we are actually creating a design for our Shopify. Now create a blank landing page or view template library. So I'm gonna check different templates because working with template becomes really easy. And you can see this is Gem Pages right here, and it has a lot of designs for us to go for. And you can see that all of these pages look professional, and these are all home pages for Shopify. And I would actually want my Shopify page to look like this or look like this because these are really professional pages. Okay, so this way we will be able to customize our Shopify. Now I will actually have to just select one page, and I'm gonna actually go with like a free one for you guys as well because we won't even have to pay. Now it depends on what kind of niche you are into. So what I am doing is I'm gonna go with this one right here, or we can go with others as well. Of course, we can customize it the way we want. So I'm gonna click on start editing. We have to give our landing page a name. So for now, I'm gonna call it test page, so I will be able to identify it later with my other pages. So this is our Gem Pages, and this is where we can actually customize and design our product pages and our shop right here. So you can see that it has a lot of different options. Like I can add different images, and then I can add different buttons, and we can add and design it the way we want. So this is like really cool and aesthetically pleasing templates that we can use. How to customize? It's really easy. It's a simple drag and drop. So in base we have rows, headings, images, icons, separators, buttons, parallels, hero banners, tabs, cursors. In list, we have icons and icon list. Then we have video pop-ups. We have YouTube videos. In products, we have product list. We have related products, dynamic products, titles, descriptions. So we can work on all of these different elements from here. Even we can add other elements if we want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually customize this text right here. Let's say that I want to change the heading. So just click on it. And after that, you can, of course, just change it. I'm going to go ahead and change my text. This was like two text. Okay. So I'm going to like just type in right here. For now, let's just go ahead and type in any random text. I'm just going to type in the name for our channel. There you go. So you can type anything, and after that you can simply change your fonts, and you can change our sizes and colors as well. Similarly, we have this image right here. Now I want to change the image. Click on the image and then it will open it up, and now we can browse our gallery to choose different images, or we can upload a brand new image as well. So click on this plus button and it will allow you to select image from your computer. So this is how I will just simply go and I will change all of the images right here. Of course, this is not my category. These are not my product categories or images. So we can customize the products as well. You just scroll down to products and you will be able to drag and drop another product list right here if you want, and it will generate it and add different products. You can see products not found, so we'll have to just pick a product. Click on pick product and it will open up your Shopify, and I will select the products that I have on Shopify and add them to my page right here, the page I have as a home page for my store on Shopify. So this is how Gem Pages allows us to just create very fun pages for our Shopify and customize our Shopify the way we want. And this way we will be able to custom design our Shopify store. This is like a banner that we have. Like you can see, this one is a hero banner option that they have added right here. So we can of course change it. If you want to delete any of the section that you do not want, for example, this section right here, I do not want any of this. So we can just select it, and then you can just right click and it will allow you to open settings, duplicate, add animation, and then we have other options as well, but we have delete. Click on delete and that section will be deleted. Similarly, we have just like a row here, so I'm gonna delete it as well. Perfect. And this is how it looks now. Then we have different buttons. This is a button. Click on the button and it will allow you to change the text, show up the collection, but I'm gonna go ahead and change the text to buy now. You can see right here, this is the button now, and we can actually place the button right here. And then we can add links as well. Of course, we will add the link here, and I can add different products on my store right here. So now I'm actually not doing a lot with the template because I want to show you a complete preview of a store, because it will take me time to actually customize it all the way and change everything, add my products. But now you get the point how you can actually add and you can change the design of your Shopify store. You can change the spacing, you can customize with different templates available on Gem Pages. There is shadows and borders and animations, positions, buttons, whatever you want to customize, you can do that, and add images and videos as well. So once you're done, what you do is you just click on publish, or you can just click on save. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on save, because of course I have not added all of my elements to the page, but you will take your time and you will customize it the way you want. The data will be saved now, and I can get a preview. I can go back to the library now, and I can choose different elements, blocks, templates as well, and customize my Shopify store home pages, create landing pages, create product pages with ease using Gem Pages. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a custom design on your Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.